Welcome. So today we'll do a little sequence with our feet up. Let's start with the hands on the sidebars of the feet up, and we're going to step the feet back into a downward facing dog. So imagine if you were doing your downward facing dog, you walk your feet far back enough so that you can make that upside down V shape, holding on to the sides of the feet up with your hands. You might feel that this is actually a lot nicer than doing downward facing dog with your hands on the floor. Or it might not work that well for you. Let's just explore and see how you find it. Lift up through the hips, lift up through the lower belly. And then let's take another 2 or 3 breaths here into downward facing dog. Continue to press with the hands into the feet up and make sure that you have your feet up on a non-slipping mat so that it's nice and stable. One more inhalation here. And then with your next breath in, shift forwards into plank position. Bring your shoulders on top of your wrists. Keep that nice strong line through the entire body, drawing the front of the core in. Exhale, up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, glide forwards, shoulders on top of the wrists. Exhale, up and back, downward facing dog. As we do this one more time, the whole body is active into a strong diagonal line into your plank, and then up and back, downward facing dog. This time we'll take a full vinyasa, forwards into plank pose, bend the elbows into chaturanga, keep the elbows close to the body. Roll onto the front of your feet, press the front of the feet down, press the hands down, drop the shoulders, upward facing dog. Up and back, all the way to downward facing dog. Full inhalation into your downward facing dog. Complete exhalation. Let's do this one more time. Inhale forwards for plank. Elbows close to the body, chest comes forwards. Onto the front of the feet, we press with the hands, we press with the feet into the ground. We engage the glutes and open up the chest. And then tap the toes, downward facing dog. From your down dog, lift your right leg up into a 3-leg downward facing dog. Step the foot forwards between the 2 hands. So it's just a little bit back from the feet up. Turning around your left foot, coming up into warrior 2. See if you need to adjust your feet. Have your front knee tracking in line with the middle of your front foot. And then set the gaze at your right middle finger. Nice and deep bend into the front knee. Breathing steadily for 2. Inhaling fully for 1. Exhale, drop the right forearm onto the right thigh, left arm up and over into side angle pose, long diagonal line into the left side of the body. Take another breath, reach the left middle finger away from the left foot, and then bring your left hand to your left hip, the right hand to the feet up. We transition into half moon. So the right knee is a little bit bent to start with, and then it straightens. We lift the left leg nice and high. The chest, the hips turn over to the left side, and we can stay here or now lift the left arm up or up towards the ceiling. Another breath into half moon pose. Rebend your right knee and slowly step back into a warrior 2. Hold your warrior 2, take a breath in. Exhale, release the hands onto the feet up and step back into plank. Hold your plank pose, inhale. Bend the elbows, chaturanga, exhale. Upward facing dog, inhale, engaging legs, glutes, up and back, downward facing dog. Full inhalation here. Complete exhalation. Left leg to the sky, inhale. Left foot forwards between the 2 feet of the feet up. Turning around your right foot, open up the arms, warrior 2. Holding your warrior 2, direct the gaze at your left middle finger. Feel a strong sense of pressing down through the feet, big toes heavy, heels heavy, and outside edges of the feet also strongly connected to the floor. Drop the left forearm onto the left thigh, right arm up and over a long line, side angle pose. Keeping space between the left ear and the left shoulder. The left palm faces up, the right palm faces down. One more inhale. And then bring your right hand to your right hip. look down, left hand holds onto the feet up. We transition, opening out into a half moon pose. The top leg is now super strong and active. Maybe we reach the right arm up and towards the ceiling as well. Working into your balance here, we can look down for more stability. We can look to the side or even up towards the right thumb. Now with control, bend the left knee, step back into Warrior 2. Take a breath into your Warrior 2. Exhale, release the hands onto the feet up, step back into plank. Inhale at the top, bend the elbows, exhale. Open up the chest, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Take a breath into your down dog. Exhale completely. Now walk the feet forward. Drop the head down into your feet up and start to come up into your inversion. You can start with your knees into the chest or go straight up with the legs straight up into your head skin. With the hands, squeeze the sides of the feet up. With the toes, reach up towards the ceiling. We'll stay for another breath in. And then bring your knees into the chest. Bring the feet gently down. Drop the knees on the ground. Keep the hands on the feet up and release the head into a child's pose. Let the breath slow down. And then gently lift yourself all the way up. I hope you've enjoyed this little mini flow with the feet up. If you'd like more, just let me know and I will film some more ideas for you to use the feet up and integrate it in your practice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel, put a like on this video and leave me a comment with any future requests for future videos. Thank you.